My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that is related to the site Poris.live. Poris.live is truly a malicious and deceptive site. It claims to be some way or another related to the well-known security program. However, it is not related to that program. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups and they try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up Poris.live may also be the evidence of your browser to be infected with some adware. So you shouldn't interact with these pop-ups. If you click on any buttons integrated into them, you may be easily redirected to some other junk sites of a bad reputation. So if you see these Poris.live pop-ups, don't interact with them. Don't install anything that they suggest. Of course, you could carefully research the control panel and uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. But very often the adware is hidden deep in the system. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose, for detecting any hidden adware or malware. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start carefully researching and investigating the system to identify and delete any other hidden malware. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.